This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zellige tiles. We begin by sourcing very specific gray clay, traditionally from the Fez region, which is essential for authenticity. Skilled artisans carefully clean this raw material by hand, removing any natural impurities, ensuring its purity. The clay then soaks in water for approximately 2 days, becoming soft and pliable. Finally, it undergoes an intensive hand kneading process, which develops the ideal consistency and strength for crafting. After the clay matures, artisans skillfully roll and press it by hand, creating large, flat sheets, usually measuring about 1/2 inch in thickness. This manual process ensures each piece maintains a consistent and uniform density throughout. Craftsmen then use simple wooden frames or cut precisely freehand, forming the initial square or rectangular tile blanks. These unfired pieces are carefully set aside, allowed to dry slowly and naturally in the warm air for approximately 5 days, preparing them for the kiln. The dried tile blanks are carefully loaded into the traditional, often wood-fired, kilns for their first firing. This crucial bisque firing transforms the raw, fragile clay into a durable, yet still porous, ceramic base. Kiln temperatures ascend steadily, usually reaching about 900 degrees Celsius, and are meticulously controlled by the experienced fire master's observation. The tiles remain in this intense heat for a full day, emerging strong and ready to absorb the beautiful glazes to come. Following the bisque firing, each tile receives its lustrous colored glaze, carefully applied by hand. Zellige is renowned for its use of natural mineral pigments, producing a stunning palette of deep greens, vivid blues, earthy browns, and a distinct, creamy white. Artisans dip each tile, ensuring an even, yet uniquely varied, coating. This traditional method ensures that no two tiles are exactly alike, creating a truly organic and rich visual texture in the finished mosaic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.